and he got a gold medal. He is loved by a lot of people. Why can he be that? In my opinion, it depends on hard practicing, which needs quality and quantity. So I decided to practice harder and harder. Now I'm expert at playing the violin and practicing it. I met a stringed instrument when I was first grade of high school student. After an entrance ceremony means 入学式, string class member was playing canon. La 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 la. Do you know? Written by Herbert under cherry blossoms. The patterns means Hanabira was dancing and beautiful classic music was playing. I joined the club and studied violin. It was beautiful tone, but it's very difficult. If I mistake 1 millimeter on the string, the musical interval, the tone sounds is changed. So, I have been practicing playing the violin for 4 years. I'm going to continue to play the violin because I can be good at the violin better than now. And I like music and love my violin, named Ringo-chan. Because the color is mixed red and brown. The red is like Ringo, so I named it. On May 18, we have classic concert at Century Hall in Roppongi. Please come my concert. If you say, please give me the ticket, I will give you the ticket. So please come my concert. Thank you.